Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as yeah. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like yeah, 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, making profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trick and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them gain big profits. While I'm still in my same big profit. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profit. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profit. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profit. That TTG money gang, making profit. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Gang, my name is Michael Edward Paranati. I go by Michael Edward, and I am the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. In case you guys did not know, we were a Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool, and we are also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university-level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We cover day trading, swing trading, and also long-term investing. There is literally something for everybody here inside of TTG. Now, we take that university level of curriculum, though, we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth well over $5,000 a year on their own. These are tools that give you more information and help you guys make better decisions. They give you an edge. Unfortunately, most retail traders don't use them because they're so damn expensive. You're talking $5-6 grand a year, easy if you were to pay for them on your own. You don't have to pay for them when you join True Trading Group. They're included as part of your membership. These tools include Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data, insider trading, a simulator, dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, the trade idea scanner, and so much more that I'll get into and I'll talk about more later on in the stream. But of course, when you guys join our community, you're going to get all of our trade alerts. You're going to get all of our courses. You're going to get all of those things. But you also get these tools. We set you up with everything you need to have the very best chance of becoming successful for one affordable price for the entire year. Now, you also get access to our members. Hands down, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you are ever going to find. Not to mention the real-time trade alerts from the moderators and myself that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions of just around 80% now, going on roughly the last 4 years. There's 9 professional traders with you each and every single day inside of True Trading Group. Now, in case you're wondering why you should listen to anything it is that I discuss on this channel, guys, it's because I didn't figure this out by watching YouTube videos or sitting in Discord chats. I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, my first job right out of college, where they had me go through a training program before they let me touch $1 of the fund's money. Then 2008 happened. That was the Great Recession. That was the stock market crash. But it was also the same year I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of TTG, and along with my team of 9 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world reach their goals. We have 10,000 members in 115 different countries, truly a global community here at True Trading Group. So if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've all come to the right place this evening. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live on this channel where myself and other THD mods and special guests will give you guys golden nuggets, free lessons, education, trade ideas, and commentary that can help you become better traders. So again, if you guys are new, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you guys never miss out on any of these live streams. Now, before we get things going here tonight, I do want to thank our partners over at Benzinga. For those that don't know, Benzinga offers their own educational products and tools, yet they still fully endorse the THD platform for the massive added value that it provides for their members and for their community. We're very grateful to Benzinga for the opportunity to educate their community and to also offer the Benzinga Pro newsfeed, which is worth over $1,000 a year on its own. If you were to go to Benzinga directly, it's included with your membership when you join TTG. So, folks, if you were here from Benzinga, you are all in the right place. Welcome. Also, welcome our friends at the Stockmaster app. All of our friends are tuning in. Stockmaster app, welcome. This is how we're going to make a lot of money this week. We're on a little bit of a tear. We've had some monster trades these last couple of days. Holo, SMCI, Coin. I mean, just a handful of the monster trades that have been getting called out here inside of TTG these last couple of weeks. And this is going to be an even bigger week. Why? Because you have Nvidia earnings. Nvidia's earnings are going to dictate what this market's going to do. I don't care what anybody has to say to you. If Nvidia earnings are absolutely amazingly fantastic and the stock just continues to rip higher to new all-time highs and the stock goes to 850, the market's going to go higher. If Nvidia for some reason ends up, the stock falls 50, 60 points after it reports its earnings, then this entire market's going to go down with it. As Nvidia earnings go, or as Nvidia's stock goes, I should say, because it's entirely possible that you can have a situation where Nvidia's earnings are actually not bad and they're actually pretty good, and the stock still maybe goes down and you get a little bit of a profit-taking situation. That's very possible. So I don't even know what the earnings are going to be. I just care about what is the stock's reaction to its earnings going to be. And we're going to be talking about how we are going to make money from that earnings report. Nvidia has earnings on Wednesday. We got to talk about it. We got to plan for it, because Nvidia is going to dictate what the rest of the AI stocks are going to do. That dictates what technology stocks do, and that dictates what the entire market does, as this is the most narrow stock market rally that I have ever seen in my entire career. And you're getting to a point where historically, it's even almost getting to a point where historically, one of the most narrow stock market rallies that we've seen in quite a long time. So that's what we're talking about here tonight, folks. So welcome again, those of you from Benzinga, and then welcome those of you that are here joining us from the Stock Master app. Now, earlier today, folks, we did send out that invitation for you guys to join us tonight for a special giveaway. We're giving away up to $5,000 in prizes here this evening. We've got prizes for non-members, for annual members, and for lifetime members. So in a moment, I'm going to give you guys one of two code words. It's going to be a pretty simple code words for tonight. You guys are all going to know it as soon as I give you the first one. You guys all already are probably assuming what the code words are. But in a moment, I'm going to give you the first code word of two. You're going to need these two code words later on the stream. We're going to put everyone's name into a wheel of names. We're going to spin that here live. And if your name is called, you'll have 2 minutes to send a text message to a phone number that we put on the bottom of the screen. And then you will have to provide us those two code words. And if you can provide us those two code words, then the prize is yours. All right. Yes, Michael Faulkner says, I just signed up. I cannot wait to start the courses tomorrow. Michael, it is our absolute pleasure to have you part of the family, brother. Congratulations. Welcome to the team. It is going to be a lovely week. I'm telling you guys now, you can mark my words. I'm going to come back on this live stream in just a couple of days, and I'm going to be going over how incredibly massive of a week that it has been inside of True Trading Group. And I know that, and I can sit here and I can say this to you, and I can put my neck out there and I can stick it out. I can be like, hey, this is what I think is going to happen this week, because I know that Nvidia earnings is going to move this market. And I know that the quality of trading that's been taking place inside of our community over the last, not even just last couple of weeks, but honestly, the last several months. We set a record in January, over 30 triple-digit gains in the month of January that was alerted by the 9 professional trading mods that are inside of True Trading Group. That's a record for us. And we're going to see if we can maybe top that. And I think this is going to be a week that's going to be filled with a bunch of them. So let's get ready and let's talk about how we're going to make some money there. The first code word for tonight's giveaway, folks, is, you guessed it, it's Nvidia. Nvidia. That's our first one. Nvidia. All right. Like I told you, I think you guys are already going to know what these code words are for tonight's giveaway. But like I said, you're going to need to know both. All right. You're going to need to know both. So the first one is Nvidia. All right, it's first code word. Remember, later on in the stream, I'm going to give you guys the second code word. Now, hear me out for a minute. I want to have a conversation with you guys before we get into how we're going to make some money this week with Nvidia's earnings. That's going to be the game. That's what we're going to talk about tonight. Okay, I got a bunch of trade ideas. Okay, I got 5 different stocks that I have written down in my notebook that we're going to be talking about. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think these stocks do this week, and we're going to start to prep and plan for Nvidia's earnings. And then we'll also go live tomorrow before Nvidia's earnings. Okay, Nvidia's earnings are Wednesday. We're going to go live also tomorrow. And after we see what Nvidia does tomorrow, we'll have an even more detailed game plan on exactly how we're going to trade Nvidia after they report their earnings on Wednesday. Okay. And then we'll cover that earnings report with you guys live, and we'll make sure to give you the play-by-play analysis and give you guys the numbers and everything. And we'll discuss what we're going to do there and how we're going to make money for the rest of the week. So that's what we're talking about here tonight on this live. But I want to have an open conversation with people, because I'm getting concerned. I'm getting concerned for people that did not listen to what we have been telling people for the last 2 years. And there's a lot of people out there that felt that Reddit was good enough, that Discord chats were good enough, that Twitter, stock twits were good enough. And those people refused to pay for a service that over 10,000 people from 115 different countries already have. That's led by 9 professional traders that have everything from, 30 years of Wall Street experience as a former market maker. That's one of our other moderators, Gio, myself, who's been trading for almost 18 years, received a Trader of the Year award working at a hedge fund in New York City. We've got everything in between all of that. Someone that's been trading since 2009. We have a former, financial licensed financial professional. Doesn't act in that manner within True Trading Group, but used to be a licensed financial professional. And we have people that just started trading 3.5 years ago that have turned down 6-figure jobs and have now become full-time traders. And we have everything in between all of those levels of experience. And we have been sitting here on this YouTube channel for the last several years. And I feel like sometimes I sound like a broken record. And I feel like maybe sometimes people just think that this is some type of a sales tactic. When I was sitting here and I was banging on the table, and I was ripping my hair out of my head, screaming at the top of my lungs every single day for the last 3 years that this is the greatest market environment that I've ever seen in my entire life, it was a sales tactic. It wasn't. It wasn't a sales tactic. It was me telling you exactly what I think you need to hear. It goes all the way back to 2020 when the markets were crashing during COVID, and I was screaming at the top of my lungs, this is going to be the greatest wealth building opportunity of any of your lives. If you were not around to invest, if you were not in a position to invest during 2008, because that was the last time that you saw the type of opportunity that you saw in 2020, the last time you saw that type of opportunity when things were that much on sale and it was that big of a buying opportunity was 2008. Now, I was very young in 2008. Yes, I was working at the hedge fund. That was in New York City, but I was in my early 20s. I did not have the money that I have now, obviously, right? Now I'm 38 years old now. I was in my early 20s. Okay, when I was working at the fund and when 2008 happened. So I couldn't take advantage of it in the manner that I did these last couple of years. These last couple of years have seen a tremendous amount of wealth built and generated for people that had a clear head, that knew what they were doing, that understood what opportunity looked like, that had access to the right tools, that had access to the right education, had access to the right community, that genuinely give a damn whether or not they succeed or failed. And those people that set themselves up for success succeeded, not by luck, not by chance, but because they planned. They planned for it. They decided, I'm going to take control of this opportunity. I'm going to invest in myself, and I'm going to make sure that I put myself in a position to benefit and profit from one of the greatest market environments that I've ever seen in my entire life. Okay? So a lot of people sat back and missed everything that took place during 2022. I told everybody in 2022, this is a buying opportunity. I told everybody when I was buying. I bought when the SPY was in the 380s, and I bought when the SPY was in the 360s. And what are the stocks that we focused on? Nvidia, AMD, Broadcom, PaloAlto, CrowdStrike, Meta, Microsoft, Datadog, Snowflake, Salesforce, you name it. These are the stocks that we were buying hand over fist in 2022. 2022, everybody was told that there was going to be, never mind a recession, there was going to be a depression. Everybody was told that the stock market's going to go down 80%, and everybody said it's not a good time to be involved in the markets. People came on this YouTube channel and they called me dumb. They told me I didn't know what I was talking about when I was buying the SPY here and here. And they told me that I was stupid. They told me I had no idea what I was doing or what I was talking about. And now those exact same people, and this is why I get concerned. This is what upsets me. Okay. I get upset and I get concerned when those exact same people that were not getting involved when they should have are now asking me, should I be buying now? Did I miss it? And I'm here to tell you, do you want a surefire way to screw up your investing strategy for the rest of your life? Keep buying here and keep selling here. And that, my friends, is exactly how people end up saying the stock market's a scam. Stock market's not a scam. Stock market is the greatest wealth building opportunity that you're ever going to find in your entire life. Yep, I'm back. Sorry, guys. I just lost my connection there for just a moment. So sorry about that. I'm not sure where I just kicked out, but I am back. Lost my connection there for just a moment, but I am back. Okay. So I get concerned when those people start asking me if I should be getting in now. Did I miss Nvidia? Did I miss PaloAlto? Should I buy these stocks now? Should I buy SMCI? Should I buy this? Should I buy that? And those are the exact same people that refused to buy when these stocks were 60% lower in 2022. Now they want to know if they should buy them here. And I will tell you this, just like I tried to keep everybody calm in 2022 and keep a level head. It's never as bad as it seems. It is also never as good as it seems. The truth is somewhere in the middle. So when everybody is panicking, you know it's a great time to be buying. And when everybody is euphoric and thinks that this is just going to continue to just go on forever, that is when you need to become a little bit cautious. And that is the point that we have reached. We have reached a point where I just feel like these markets have gotten a little too far ahead of themselves. We are extended. And I'll be the first to tell you that this market has gone further than I thought it was going to go. I did not think that we were going to get to 503 by the first and second week of February. If you asked me 2 or 3 months ago if I thought we'd be above 500 on the SPY, if I thought the S&P would have cracked over 5,000 by the first week of February, I would have told you probably not. So to be fair, the market's gone further than I think it's gone, than I thought it was going to go this early in the year. But when I see the exact same people now asking me, should I be buying? That tells me that we are getting close to a top, because institutions, professionals, hedge funds, they actually use a retail investor indicator. It is the inverse retail indicator. What is it? When retail is net sellers at a very aggressive rate, that is typically indicative of a near-term bottom in the market. And when retail investors are heavy net buyers, it is typically indicative of a short-term, near-term top in the market. Doesn't mean that the markets go straight down the very next day or straight up the very next day, but it means that you're getting pretty damn close. And I look at markets, I look at a lot of individual stocks, and I feel like things are a bit extended. And just like I told people to keep a clear and level head in 2022 when markets were crashing, and you should be looking to buy, not when everybody else is panicking and looking to sell, I'm telling you also now that you need to be a little bit more cautious. You need to be a little bit more level headed and keep your emotions under control and resist that urge of feeling like you are missing out. Did you miss out on an incredible wealth building opportunity by sitting out this entire time? Yes, you have. Stocks like Nvidia and Broadcom and PaloAlto have gone up 100, 200, 300, 400%. Stocks like Meta, these stocks have gone up multiple hundreds of percent in just the last calendar year. So did you miss out on that? Yes. But does that mean that that's the last and that's the end of this move in these stocks? No, there is going to be a lot more upside in these stocks over the next several years. These are the stocks that I believe are where I'm going to find the next wave of unicorns. I look back over the last 1 to 2 decades. Where were the unicorns? The stocks that generated the most amount of wealth for shareholders. It was Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, right? Those were your big mega cap blue chip tech names. That is where the wealth was generated over the last 1 to 2 decades. Well, guess what? You're not going to get a 5,000% gain out of Apple over the next couple of years. You're not. But I think you could get those type of gains out of stocks like Nvidia and Snowflake and PaloAlto and AMD and all these other stocks over the next decade. This wave of AI and technology is where I truly believe that next wave of unicorns are going to come from. But there's a lot of people out there, and this is why I'm getting nervous, that are thinking, should I be buying in here now? And then I already know what's going to happen. They're going to buy in. These stocks are going to pull in 20, 25, 30%, because that's what these crazy high volatile, high growth tech stocks do. And they're going to panic. And they're going to sell out of their position. They're going to say, oh, the stock market's a scam again. It's not a scam. You're doing things the exact opposite. You're buying high when everybody's excited, and you're panicking. You're selling low when everybody is scared. And that is the exact opposite of what Warren Buffett, the world's greatest investor, has told you how to play this game. You be fearful when others are greedy, and you be greedy when others are fearful. That is the name of this game. Buy low, sell high. That's how you make money in the markets. It sounds simple enough, right? I get it. But for some reason, people can't overcome that fear of losing money and that greed of missing out from making money. And that causes people to sell at the bottom and buy at the top. And that, my friends, is how you lose money in this game. It doesn't have to be that way. If you've missed out on this entire move over these last couple of years and you're not taking advantage of this massive rally in AI and technology, I get it's frustrating and I get you don't want to miss it any further. But I'm telling you that when you make decisions based off emotions like that, you're going to make the wrong decision. It's going to screw you. There's plenty of more opportunity in this market to come. You have to be able to play it right and seize that opportunity when it presents itself. So the next time the stock markets pull themselves back in, which they are going to, I think you're going to have a growth scare in the next couple of months. The market's going to pull back and it's going to be a healthy pullback. And that's going to be an opportunity for people to start buying some of the stocks that they missed. But instead, people are going to run around with their hair on fire and they're going to say, here's the recession, here's the recession, here's the recession. And they're not going to buy. And they're going to have missed the buying opportunity again. That's how you make money in the market. That's why we're here. That's why you're on this YouTube channel. You're on this YouTube channel to figure out how to do this the right way. You're on this YouTube channel to figure out how do I stop making the wrong decision, because listening to Mambo Jam's Kitty Cat on Reddit has not worked. Right? Look at all the stocks, all the meme stocks that everybody on social media told you to buy in a whole hodl, hold on for dear life, diamond hands. They're all filing for bankruptcy. Did you see what happened to Express over the weekend? Express, they might file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. We all know AMC is at all-time lows. You all saw what happened to Wish. We all know that Mullen is basically 0.000001 cents if you account for all the different reverse stock splits that that piece of garbage has had. But these are all the stocks that people on Reddit told you to buy and hold forever. Instead, you should have been buying AMD and Nvidia and Meta and holding those forever. Could you imagine holding on to a stock that's down 98% from your entry when the stock market is at all-time highs? I understand how frustrating that must be. Do something about it. Do something about it. You're here to make money. That's the whole point of this. That is exactly what members of True Trading Group are doing. And if I sound harsh, if I sound crude, I'm not trying to be an asshole right now. I'm trying to just knock some sense into people to make them realize that the stock market is for you. You just have to be shown how to take advantage of the opportunities the right way by actual professionals, people that do this for a living, people that are in the exact position that you are trying to be, not some random person that hides behind a username on Reddit that you don't even know who the hell they are. You see, members of True Trading Group are making money, guys, and it's not because I gave them some special super top secret pattern or indicator that I learned working at the hedge fund. They're making money because they've learned a real professional level of education. They are guided by 9 professional traders each and every single day. They have access to all of the top trading tools the industry has to offer, and they're part of a community of over 10,000 members from 115 different countries that generally gives a damn whether or not they succeed or fail. That's why our members are succeeding. If you don't believe me, you shouldn't believe me. Honestly, I'm a guy on YouTube. Don't take my word for it. Take their word for it. I'll prove it to you. Members of True Trading Group, do me a favor. Those of you that are part of TTG, simple question. If you're making money, you guys are becoming better traders now with us, type the number 1 in chat right now. Just go ahead. Type the number 1 in chat right now. If you guys are making money, you're becoming better traders because of TTG. Type the number 1. Anyone that's on this live stream that is not a member, I want you to pay very, very, very close attention to how many people you see right there on this side of the screen. Every single number 1 that you see coming across that screen, that is not some bot or, these are real people. These are your friends and your family members and your coworkers. So if they can do it, then why can't you? If these people can tell you, hey, I'm making money, then why can't you? It's not because they're luckier than you. It's not because they have more time than you. 82% of our members have full-time jobs. They work over 40 hours a week. 82% of our members have 40-hour-a-week plus jobs. It's not because they have all the time in the world. It's not because they have all the money in the world. It's not because they are lucky. It's because they decided to invest in themselves and get the hell off of Reddit and Discords and actually learn the proper way how to do this. That's why these people are typing number 1. That's why they're making money. And that's why you're here, to do the exact same thing. And I'm here to tell you that you can. Maybe you're not where you want to be right now. Maybe you've took a few licks, you blew up a couple accounts, you have a bunch of, you're still a shareholder of some of those stocks that I just mentioned a few minutes ago. And it pains you every time you open up your account, your Robinhood account or your E-Trade account or your Webull or your Thinkorswim or whatever it is that you use. And you want to crawl into a hole every time you open up that account when you should be opening that account with a smile from ear to ear if you were in the right names as the market reaches all-time highs. But I'm telling you now, I believe that you have a pullback that is well overdue in this market. And I'm here to tell you that I believe you are going to have one more shot to get this right. I am here to tell you that I believe that you are going to experience a growth scare within the next couple of months where inflation continues to remain elevated. The Fed does not cut rates in the manner and the timing that people want them to. You're going to start to see, some weaker jobs numbers as the Fed holds rates higher and higher, like for longer, and people are going to start to get nervous and they're going to start to get scared. And I think that's going to give you a pullback in this market because the Fed does not cut rates in the time frame that the market wants, and you're going to start to see the stocks pull back. You're going to see yields go up, you see stocks go down, and you're going to start to see a growth scare. And I'm here to tell you that the rest of the cash that I have on the sidelines, my cash is in other things. Like some private credit. My cash is in, some T-bills that are rolling over, ladder strategy, getting like 4 or 5% interest on them per year. So my cash is still, gaining interest elsewhere. But there's that cash that's in those vehicles is going to come out. It's going to go right into the market. It's going to go right into the stocks that I absolutely love when that time comes. I'm telling you now, the next time you hear somebody on the TV say, is this the recession? Then just know that I have my shopping list out like this. Got my little readers on. I'm like, okay, I'm checking out my buying list. You got one more shot to make this right before I think you eventually actually, can pull off the soft landing. I think you have one more shot to make it right. So instead of saying, hey, should I be buying here when the S&P's at 5,000, the SPY's at 500, and Nvidia's at 750, be ready. Be ready the next time the opportunity presents itself, because it is coming. I'm telling you right now, I feel it in my bones. It is coming. Is it coming tomorrow? I don't know. Is it coming next month? I don't know. I think it could, when the Fed does not cut rates at the March meeting, even though the market's really not expecting a March cut anymore. But I think once it's like really official and the Fed really kind of shows you that nobody was even thinking about cutting rates, I think that rate cut gets pushed out to June, maybe July. And if the first rate cut doesn't come until June or July, there's no way that I do not think that the market is lower by that time. I'm interested to see how many people are on this live stream right now that are not members of True Trading Group. Because I know my members already know this stuff. I've talked to my members about this already ad nauseum. They are ready. And I know that they are ready. But I want to see how many people are on this live stream that are not part of our community. Guys, do me a favor. If you're not part of True Trading Group, just go ahead and type the letters TTG, please. Just type TTG. Type TTG if you guys are not a member of our community, please. I just want to see who I'm talking to. I'm trying to understand my audience here tonight. So please, guys, I know it might sound tedious. Do me a favor, type TTG. Let me see who we have. Lies, we got Sean, we got AZ Med, Savage, Josh, DJ, J-Rod, Armand, welcome back. I know you were on the live stream last week. DG, yo, my boy Rhino, what's good, brother? We got John Higby. That name sounds familiar, John. I think you've been on the channel before. Welcome back if you have. Mike Lewis, we've got Sanja, Teddy, Kirsten, Grown Man, Atlin, Adele, Judy, Dustin, Maram, Victor, Carlos, Trevor, Ronald, Mike, Tony Noboloni. You are a member now, man. You can't type TGD anymore. Marcus, Kathy, Kay, Akeisha, Daniel, what's up, brother? We got Diana, Lee, Chip. Excellent. Beautiful. So we have a bunch of people here that are not members of the community yet. Brandon, Kelly, Hughes. Beautiful. Excellent. I love it. Koj, Adil. Beautiful. Listen, those of you that are not part of True Trading Group here yet, I hope you guys enjoyed the extra day off. Hope you guys enjoyed the holiday today. You guys got an extra day to kind of, get your game plans ready for this week because it's going to be a big week. I hope you guys were well rested. We have been running an offering and a sale for you guys this weekend that does expire at midnight tonight. And before I get into my top trade ideas for the week, I'm giving you my top trade ideas for the week. I got 5 stocks written down. We're going to go over them. We're going to start prepping for Nvidia's earnings. The futures market is selling off right now. We're down almost, 0.3% right now. Okay. We're down almost 0.3% right now. And 4 out of the 5 stocks that are written down on my piece of paper here are shorts. So we're going to talk about how we're going to make some money this week. But before we do, just to be fair to those that are not yet members, there's a 54% discount on our membership. That's good until midnight tonight that I want to make sure that you guys are aware of so you can take advantage of it if you so choose, because you can still get a membership to True Trading Group for the entire year with all of our courses and all of our tools for under $1,000 for the entire year. That changes at midnight tonight. So what I'd like everyone to do that just typed TTG, open up a new web browser, go to ttgoffer.com. That's ttgoffer.com. You'll see that the price of our membership is over $2,000 for the year. However, the sale is going to be 54% off. It brings the price down to just $997 for the entire year. Now listen carefully. There is no upsell. There's no additional cost. There's no extra fee for any of the items that you see on that page. When you go to ttgoffer.com, every single item on that page is included in the $997. This includes all of our courses, which is a simplified and expanded upon version of the training I received working at the fund in New York. There's courses for beginners. There's advanced courses. There's options. There's swing trading. There's trader psychology. You name it, we've got it. You have access to all of it. There is no VIP courses that cost more money after you join. I'm not going to sell you guys what we believe is half of the solution. You get all of it. You also get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed with congressional trading data. You go to Benzinga directly, that's over $1,000 a year. Easy. You join True Trading Group, it's included. You pay less than $1,000 and you get everything else. You get TradingView's premium charting software. You get the trade idea scanner streams on our platform. You get unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, a trading journal, social sentiment scanner, some of our AI tools. You don't have to pay $1 extra for any of these things I'm saying to you. It is all included for the $997. And you guys are in for a treat because there are 17 laptops available for this evening. 17. They are first come, first serve. Yes, the next 17 people that join are going to get a free laptop. It is a Windows 11 laptop. It comes with Microsoft 365 for the year. We cover the shipping. We have members in 115 different countries. I don't care where you live. I'll get you the laptop. It's free. You don't have to enter your address when you join, but just look out for the welcome email. There are instructions inside of your welcome email on how to claim that free laptop. If you see a laptop in the checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. See that laptop icon? If you see it, you're getting one. Simple as that. Okay? You see it, we get it. Yes, J. Rod wants to know if we cover the E-minis in the futures market. Yes, we do. We do have a futures trading program within True Trading Group as well. Okay? Everything, guys, is included. You just need to use this coupon code. The coupon code is TTG121. Okay? I'm giving you all this coupon code. This deal expires at midnight tonight. And there are only 17 laptops available. Those are first come, first serve. So go to ttgoffer.com, manually type in the coupon code TTG121, then click apply code. The price drops to $997. Now, I know I talk a big game on these streams, but I want to prove to you how much that I believe in the platform that we have created. I believe so much in True Trading Group and this platform's ability to help you guys reach your goals that anyone that joins True Trading Group tonight and pays $997, you will get a double your money back guarantee. This is how it works. You join True Trading Group, you pay $997. Go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group. We do study groups every Thursday Attend one. You don't have to do this all in 30 days, some impossible task. You have the entire year. Go at your own pace, take your time, but do those things. Actually use the platform. And if you are unable to make enough winning trades to equal what you've paid for your membership, that means if you cannot make back the $997 at least one time during your membership, we will give you back double your money. We will literally give you back $1,994. You can keep that laptop. I'm being dead serious right now, guys. I will remove the last shred of doubt and skepticism that is standing in the way of you finally taking a step, taking a leap, investing in yourself, and saying, I will not let another opportunity pass me by. That's what all these people did. And again, in case you need a reminder, members of True Trading Group, are you guys making money? Type the number 1 if you guys are making money. In case you need a reminder, members of True Trading Group, just type the number 1 if you guys are making money and becoming a better trader because of TTG. If this platform has helped you, if this platform has worked for you, I want you guys to type the number 1 in chat right now. Those of you that are not part of this community, you better start paying attention to what your peers have to say. This is why we have a 78% retention rate at True Trading Group. 78% of our members stay with us. They either renew their annual membership, some of them upgrade to become lifetime members of our community. We have a refund rate that is less than 2.5%. We are 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,500 reviews. This is why I could, without blinking an eye or a bead of sweat dropping from my forehead, offer you a double your money back guarantee. Listen, if our refund rate was like 12%, I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back. We'd go out of business. And make no mistake, True Trading Group's a business. We have over 30 employees. We have over 10,000 customers from 115 different countries. All you have to do is go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price then drops all the way down to the $997. If you see a laptop, you're getting one. Use a laptop to trade, use it for work, give it to your kid for school, sell it on eBay and put the money back in your account. I don't care what you do with it. It's our gift to you for joining True Trading Group. We got to welcome Terrain. Terrain, welcome. Terrain, welcome. Terrain, welcome. Guys, we have 16 of these laptops now remaining. I'm telling you, these laptops are going to go quick. Tonight's the last night you're going to be able to get this 54% discount. Okay? Tonight's the last night you guys are going to be able to get. The price is over $1,000 tomorrow. So if you want it under $1,000, you got to jump on it now. They're going right now. Sylvia, welcome. Sylvia, welcome. Michael, welcome. 14 spots now remain. 14 spots, guys, are left. I told you these are going to go. Terrain, Sylvia, Michael, welcome, guys. Welcome to the family. Now we're down to 14. Don't wait for me to be finished with this live stream. These are probably not going to last. Go directly to open a web browser right now. Just go to ttgoffer.com. Everything you see on that page, it's included. You manually enter TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops down to $997. Check out, you're good to go. If you have any questions at all, listen to me, guys, seriously. We are fully transparent. We are an open book. Any questions, any concerns, just send us a text message. The phone number is at the bottom of your screen. It is 1-888-306-8783. Excuse me, 1-888-306-8783. Again, guys, the phone number is right there. If you have any questions or concerns, or you're having a hard time signing up, the coupon code's not working, whatever, send us a text message. We'll help you guys out and we'll answer any questions that you guys have. Again, that's ttgoffer.com. The coupon code is TTG121. Just click apply code. Price drops to $997. Check out. You guys are good to go. Be on the lookout for that welcome email because there will be instructions in there how to claim the laptop. We got to welcome Miriam. Miriam. I guess that's Miriam. Just spelled differently maybe. Or Miriam. And we have to welcome Ronald. So Miriam and Ronald. Guys, these are going quick. Woof. Only 12 left. That's it. There's only 12 left. I had 17. Oh, Myrene. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Myreem Hernandez, I see you right now. You just beautiful. Thank you so much, because that's not how I was. I would have not thought to pronounce it that way. Thank you for that. I do apologize for mispronouncing your name. Myreem, welcome to the TTG family. And then also Ronald, welcome to the TTG family, folks. That means we're now down to 12 of these laptops, guys. Again, if you see the laptop in your checkout cart, see that laptop icon up there? That's how you know you're one of the 12. If when you go to check out, you don't see that, that means we've run out of the laptops. They are first come, first serve. I can't hold them for you. That's not fair to anybody else. But if you're watching this live stream, maybe after it's already aired, and you go to ttgoffer.com, if you see one, great. Then you know that you still have one. You guys are good to go. Just check out and you're done. Thank you. Robert Creaney says, welcome all the new people. I was amazed after I joined just how good these guys are at what they do. Thank you very much. I really do have to say, guys, and I'm not, I mean, obviously, right? What am I going to say? Why don't you Group sucks? Of course, I'm not going to say that. But from someone that worked at a hedge fund, was on a trading floor, that traded with some phenomenal traders, I cannot begin to express how impressed I am on a daily basis at the quality of traders that are inside of this community. I'm not just talking about moderators. Like there's 9 pro traders that are mods that lead you and share their screens. They alert you when their orders fill. They tell you where they're getting in and where they're getting out, what stocks they're buying, which stocks are selling, or what options they're getting into, what calls, what puts, whatever it is. But there's over 10,000 members that are also inside this community. There are thousands of people on our platform at any given time during the day. Everybody uses, also you can use the mobile app. If you guys can't be in front of your computer screen during the day, don't worry about it. Remember, 82% of our members have full-time jobs. You download our mobile app, you will get the real-time push notifications when our moderators' orders execute. So when our orders fill, you are notified. Okay, they just got long Palantir. They just got short AMD. They just bought this call option. They just bought this put option, right? You guys be notified when those executions take place. That's how so many of our members are able to follow along with everything that we are doing. Okay, and we have to welcome Kirsten. Kirsten, welcome. Everybody welcome Kirsten. I always liked the name. So my sister's name is Kristen, but I always liked the name Kirsten. I only know one Kirsten. I I always liked that name. Kirsten, welcome to the TTG family. What is it? What are we down to? 11 laptops. Yes, Harsh Patel. Harsh Patel says, I bought every dip with Mike the last 2 years. Yes. Yes. Harsh Patel. That's what I'm talking about, man. I love it. And that's a big part of True Trading Group too. Guys, we're not just about day trading and swing trading. We also cover long-term investing as well. So, whenever we make adjustments or we add stuff to the long-term portfolio, members are made aware of that. And listen, we tell you what we're doing with our money. You guys can take that information, do with it whatever you please. All right, guys. So there you guys have it. So again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. You guys have till midnight for that 54% off. Laptops are first come, first serve. There's 11 left. If you have any questions, just text us 1-888-306-8783. Okay. Numbers at the bottom of the screen. All right. Let's get down to business. Let's talk about how we're making money this week. Markets are selling off, right? Markets are selling off. We had a huge week last week. You had, for me, my biggest trades were Coinbase long, right? So we caught the Coinbase swing, right? So that was one big one. And then we also had, for me, my 2 biggest trades. And then also we had the Holo short squeeze on Friday. Okay. That was me. We also we also had some huge trades inside chat on the SMCI short. SMCI. I'm telling you now, this stock's going lower, and I'm going to look for bounces back towards 900 to actually re-engage. And we're going to see if there's a bounce If SMCI bounces, I just think that any bounce in SMCI, I believe, is just a shortable opportunity. I'm hoping we don't just gap down big to like 700 tomorrow because the market is gapping down. I hope there's a bounce attempt back here because I believe that this thing gets back above 900. I think it's shortable. Okay. So I think that we're going to be trying to short that thing. We get back about 100. But anyway, let's move on over to talk about some of the stocks that I have focus on this week. I got 4 shorts. I got 1 long. All right. And well, let me talk about the SPY first before I give you guys individuals. Now look at all my boy. Everyone's like, Holo. Yeah. Holo was a 10-1 for us on our final take profit. So if you're new, what that means is final take profit, because I sell my position in pieces, I tier out of my trade. So like when I'm in a winning trade, I sell like as it works out, I sell a piece at a time, right? I don't sell the whole thing at once. So when I said my final take profit was at a 10-1, that means if you were risking, let's say $1 a share, that means you got $10 a share in profit. And just for beginner, if you guys are beginners and you don't know what I'm talking about, okay? We got to welcome Frank. Guys, we got to welcome Frank. That means we're down to just 10 of these laptops. We got to welcome Frank. We got to welcome Frank. Frank, welcome. Frank, welcome to the family, brother. 10 spots left, guys. So again, just hurry up, go to ttgoffer.com, use the code TTG121. All right. SPY, double top. Okay, we have a double top that's in place here on the SPY. So I'm showing you guys right now. There is your double top. And right now, futures are gapping down a bit here now. Okay, now your futures are gapping down here a bit. What I'm going to look for tomorrow, all right, what we're going to look for here tomorrow, we're going to look for this gap down to stick. And I'm looking for resistance right here at 499. Okay, I'm telling you guys this now. I'm looking for resistance at 499. That is low of the day from Friday. It's a double bottom low from Friday. You then traded underneath it after hours. And then you also have low of the day there from the 15th. Then you also have high of the day here from the 14th. Okay. I'm looking for this level, 499. I'm looking for that to become resistance. And I'm targeting a move in the SPY that takes you back down into the low 490s. Okay. So I am targeting a move that can take us back to the low 490s after we got not one, but 2 scorching hot inflation numbers that I think are going to see us trade back down near this level. So I'm looking for us to trade down into here. Okay. Looking for us to trade down into here this week. Now, as I say this, I want to kind of preface with something. Nvidia's earnings are going to be, oh, we have to welcome Judith also, guys. Judith, welcome to the family. That means we're down to 9. Guys, I told you these were going to fly. So Judith, welcome to the family. Judith, I'm so happy to see you join the TeachD family. Guys, remember, these laptops are first come, first serve. There's 9 of them left. Okay. So just go to ttgoffer.com and use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. That price drops to $997. You see the laptop, you're getting one. You don't have to enter your address. Remember, just watch for that welcome email. There's instructions in that welcome email on how to claim your laptop, okay? You got the double your money back guarantee. Don't forget about that. I don't think you need it, but it's there for peace of mind. It's there to hold us accountable, okay? It's there for peace of mind. It's there to hold us accountable, all right? Okay, now, as I'm telling you that I believe we're going to get that pullback back into the low 490s, you have to remember that NVIDIA reports earnings on Wednesday. And NVIDIA's earnings are going to move this market. If NVIDIA blows earnings out of the water, they raise guidance again, the stock gaps up to 820, I'm not going to be shorting the stocks that I'm talking about right now on this list. But if NVIDIA does not trade higher, if God forbid they do not hit their guidance, then I think you need to get short and stay short. And a couple of stocks that I'm eyeing up, if that happens, I'm not here to tell you what NVIDIA's earnings are going to be. I have no idea. I can't predict the future. I know a lot of people try to find like traders that can predict the future. Newsflash, none of us can. Okay. Being a good trader has nothing to do with predicting the future. Being a good trader is all about identifying high probability scenarios, right? Your best poker players in the world, they cannot predict the next card that's going to come out on the river or on the turn. They can only play the probability of what they have in their hand and what is on the table. And when the probability is at its highest, you push. As a trader, you identify probabilities. It's pattern recognition. Sure, we use our analysis of news and fundamentals. We use our technical analysis. We use our chart patterns. We use our indicators to identify those setups, but it's all about probability. And you put yourself on the right side of that probability over and over and over again with good sound risk management, and you'll be profitable over time if you can do those things. I know you might be like, oh, make it sound so simple. Trading's not simple, but it's not rocket science either. And it's not difficult because charts are difficult. Charting is actually the easy part. I'll teach you guys how to identify what a high probability setup looks like, what a low probability setup looks like. I'll teach you how to identify all that stuff pretty easily. It's the emotional and the psychological aspects of trading is what makes trading hard. It's not the chart patterns. It's not the indicators. It's not VWAP. It's not Fibonacci's. That stuff is actually it looks intimidating when you don't know what you're looking at. But once someone shows you, it's actually quite simple to understand. Then it's a battle between you and yourself. That's why trading is hard. But anyway, I digress. So the whole point of me saying all that was to let you know, I don't know what NVIDIA's earnings are going to be, but I do know it's going to move the entire market. And I want to make sure that I have very specific game plans for whether NVIDIA crushes it or disappoints. I think the easier trade is a disappointment from NVIDIA. If there's a disappointment from NVIDIA, and the reason why I think it's an easy trade is because I really don't think it matters what stock you get into or where you get in it. I think the market goes down for probably 2 to 3 days if NVIDIA disappoints. Okay. I don't know if they're going to, but here's game plans. I'm looking for pullbacks right there in the markets. Like I said, I'm looking for the low 490s. Looking so good, right? Looking pretty decent so far. Markets are gapping down right now. Futures markets trading down over 0.25% to the downside. Let's hit on a couple of stocks that were weak last week. Firm. This stock is weak, guys. We made lower highs while the markets were rallying to new all-time highs. We got stuffed hard. And now you're looking at us back testing a key support level. $38 is a key support level. It's low today, Friday. It's this double bottom low here from the very end of January, early February, and it was previous support back here in early December. So you can see support, 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 support. This level breaks. To me, there's a bit of an air pocket here, and I think you see a firm $34, $35. $34, $35. Okay, is the target that I'm looking at here for a firm. I think it's maybe you get something that looks like this, right? You break it down, maybe you try to bounce back, and then you just kind of break it down again. You get this type of price action on a firm. We're looking for more downside on a firm. Like I said, guys, my target is $34 to $35 on a firm. That is the target. It's been weak, and I think there's going to be a little bit more downside on that name. You also have AMD. AMD is caught in a range right now between 180 top and 165 bottom, 164 bottom. And I just think that AMD goes back down to test this bottom. Okay. And you see support, 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 support. See this support level here that you have on AMD? I just think that it's established such a nice level of resistance up top. And if I think the market's going to pull back, and right now, if I'm, markets are pulling back, I think you can see AMD get down to 165. All right. I think we're going to see AMD get back down to 165. Now, this goes back to NVIDIA. If NVIDIA misses forget it. If Nvidia disappoints, then AMD is probably the easiest short in the market if Nvidia disappoints. If Nvidia disappoints, you could see AMD back at 150 within a week if Nvidia disappoints. Now, if Nvidia knocks it out of the park, you can see new all-time highs. Okay, so keep that in mind as we roll things through. But I'm looking for AMD back to 165. Then we've got Carvana. Carvana's been a stock that's been hanging in there, but we have not been able to break above this resistance level. And if I think now the market's ready to pull back, I think that we can maybe try shorts on Carvana against this level and just see if we can maybe get down to here, get back down to 48, like the high 40s, maybe 49. Okay. It's kind of, I'm just thinking maybe a little bit of a pullback away from, see this resistance level. We tried it, and we just can't, it just can't capture it. You see this big engulfing candle on Friday, which kind of wiped out. This is a day, this day here trapped longs, right? This day right here trapped longs, and you get this big gap down the very next day and you sell it right through that low. Anybody that bought on this day is really kind of underwater here. And I just think that you might get, some more selling pressure that takes the thing down here under 50. So we're going to look for under 50 there on Carvana. And then also, guys, Apple is weak as well. Apple's weak as well. So I kind of want to target weak names if I think the market's going to pull back. And you can see support right there around 180. You can see here, nice rejection candle on Friday. I just think that you're going to get a little bit more of a bleed here on Apple and get Apple back under 180. All right. We have to welcome Ron. Ron is the newest member of the group. That means we're down to 8. That means we're down to just 8 of these laptops, guys. That's it. And then we got to welcome Kathleen. Now we're down to 7. Oh boy. Kathleen, welcome. 7 now remaining. I had 17 when I started this live show. I'm telling you, don't wait for me. Don't wait for me to finish. I want to make sure you guys get the free laptop. Why not? It's a Windows 11 laptop. It comes with Microsoft 365. It's free. We even cover the shipping cost. It doesn't matter if you're not in the US. We have members in 115 countries. I'll get it to you. Don't worry about it. And if you really don't want it, okay, sell it on eBay. Take a few $100 and put it back in your account. I don't know. But they are first come, first serve, guys. We're down to 7 of them. So I would hurry up. Remember, if you have any questions, text us 1-888-306-8783. All right. Tony, check under your pillow. And last but certainly not least, Mara. I talked to you guys about Mara last week. Okay. J-Rod wants the specs for the laptop. J-Rod, the specs are FREE Turbo. It's an FREE Turbo. It's an i3 processing chip. I don't know, J-Rod. It's a Windows 11, comes on listen, it's not a MacBook Pro. Okay. It's not a $2,000 gaming laptop. Okay. It's going to be probably an Asus laptop. It's Windows 11 laptop, Microsoft 365 included. Okay. It's just our gift to you guys. We have great relationships with wholesalers, and we get them at really good prices. And, when people join Trade Trading, we started doing this because I don't want people trying to trade on like a 10-year-old laptop that freezes and crashes on them and everything else. So we just figured it's a great little added value. It's a little extra incentive for people to join True Trading Group. And it's our gift to say, hey, welcome to the family when you guys do join. Right. So you guys are more than, I think you'll be more than pleased. Okay. Good enough to make some trades and watch the courses that TGD has to offer. Yes. Yes, it is. It is certainly good enough to do that. It is certainly good enough to do that. Guys, it's free. Who cares? If you get it and you don't like it, sell it. Members, do you guys use your laptop? The free one that you got? Just type yes if you guys use your laptop that you guys got from us. Do you guys use it? I don't know. Just comment in chat if you guys use it. Smart wasn't Jennifer Aniston involved with Smart Water? But here you go. Jennifer gave it to her son for college. It's beautiful. Kev Dog sold it to his sister. Didn't even give it to his sister. Kev Dog sold it to his sister. Savage. Don Beals sold his for $500. Anyway, so it's for you guys. I gave it to my grandchild. This is Michael Todd. It's beautiful. That's beautiful. Yes. Can we cover Upstart? That's my short idea. What do you think? I love it. I hate Upstart. I think this stock goes lower. I don't think they're a great company. I think they have issues. I think Upstart goes lower. They had disappointing earnings. I don't think it's over with. I think there's more downside coming. So I think you at least get to 23. Okay. I think you at least get to 23. All right. The J420, I think you at least get to 20. See, I already had this line on my screen because that's my target. So I already had that line there. And I think, I think you had a couple more dollars of downside. Okay, back to Mara. So you guys know we caught the Coinbase long, right? We caught the Coinbase swing. It was an absolute freaking monster. Bitcoin's still holding its rally. We're just under 52K. Last I checked before the stream, we were like 51.8. Somewhere around there. The reason why I want you guys to focus on Mara is because I actually don't think this move in Bitcoin is over. I think that Bitcoin is going to make an attempt very soon on its all-time highs in the 60s. And if that happens, you could see a pretty serious short squeeze on Mara. So I am focusing on Mara. I am watching Mara closely. There's a big short position on this stock. You have a massive resistance level at $32. If Bitcoin goes to 60 and Mara breaks 32, I think it is a short squeeze. Victor, great question, Victor. And I'll answer it for you, brother. Victor says, what is the weekly time commitment needed to have a chance to succeed? Victor, if I'm going to be completely honest with you, brother, can you give me a few hours a week? I don't need 40 hours a week, man. I don't. But Victor, if you can give me a few hours a week, then listen, 10 minutes a week ain't going to cut it. 1 hour a week ain't going to cut it. I'm not going to blow smoke up your ass. I'm not going to tell you what you want to hear. I'm going to tell you what you need to hear to have the very best chance of becoming successful. But I also don't need 30 hours. I don't need 20 hours. Can you just give me a handful of hours a week? If you can, fantastic. Then I think that we can do this. That's my honest answer to you, Victor. Okay? That's my honest answer. Migs, Mads, Alphabet, short. Yes, that actually. So I try to narrow it down to 5, but Alphabet was also, I also have Alphabet written down on my notebook. So I do like Alphabet also for the short. But Victor, I also want to prove to you, and this is for Victor and anybody else, 82% of our members have full-time jobs. I'll show you real quick. Guys, members up to trading, can you guys do me a favor? Let's help out Victor, by the way. If you guys can, if you're a member, can you guys just type the number 1 and tell me what you do for a living? So if you're making money with us while working a full-time job, can you guys comment in chat what you do for a living? Just so people that are not members have an idea of like how busy your schedule is and this still works for you. Victor, my advice, man, is honestly pay attention to some of the comments. And this goes for anybody really. And see if you see someone that maybe does the same thing that you guys that you do for a living. Here, sales, construction, DoorDash, electrician. I run my own small business. I own an AC company. I'm a senior director, city government employee. I work I lost it, international paper, auto mechanic, consultant, an ER nurse. I say that's pretty stressful and crazy hours. A truck driver, crazy hours. I own a restaurant, crazy hours. Transportation, personal chef, accounts receivable manager, IT manager, software engineer, coil tubing, HVAC contractor in Florida. So you know they're busy. Food service company, construction sales, right? Nurse, a lot of HVACs here tonight. Firefighter, bolt mechanic, I own my own small business, telemedicine physician, right? You guys get the point, right? You guys get the point. I'm not going to keep reading all these people, but you read some of the comments and you see what these people do for a living. But again, Victor, I hope that helps, brother. Victor, so I hope that helps. You see members like this is what they do for a living. I'm telling you, man, go at your own pace, take your time. Our membership is why our membership is not just 30 days. You're not going to know within 30 days. It's like life happens. You can get, maybe 1 week you're sick. The next week you're too busy. Like before you know it, your month, our membership is a year. You get everything for a full year. Take your time, go at your own pace. There's no rush. Go through the courses, familiarize yourself, give yourself a real chance of being successful. You're not going to be a millionaire overnight. You're not going to be a millionaire in 30 days. Take your time. You have the whole year. Okay? You have the whole year. And you got the double your money back guarantee there also to, like I said, give you that peace of mind. We also accept PayPal credit. If you guys want, you can use PayPal credit. You can pay back PayPal for, I think it's 6 months, 0 interest. It's also another payment option that we do accept if that, fancies anyone. But anyway, back to Mara. So let me show you the resistance level here on Mara real quick, guys. You can see here previous support in 2021. Then you see resistance here in 2022. And then we shot up here in 2023 and we rejected it. Shot up there last week, rejected it. I want to see Mara consolidate right here. And then I want to see Bitcoin make a run to the 60s. And I want to see Mara light this thing up. I want to see Mara light this thing up. I think Mara is going to $40. All right. I think Mara is going to $40. I'm going to be stalking this thing like you cannot imagine. And if I start to see Bitcoin go, we're going to get our eyes there on Mara. And if Mara clears out 32 is the mark. If you clear out 32, then I think we have short squeeze in the making. All right. So there we have it, folks. All right. So guys, there it is. That is top trade ideas for the week. We will be back on also tomorrow to give you kind of a more detailed game plan regarding Nvidia. I want to see what Nvidia does tomorrow, and then we will be identifying levels. So you do not want to miss the live stream tomorrow also, because I'm going to be identifying the entry and exit points for Nvidia based on what earnings are going to actually be. All right. So we're going to go over that all with you guys tomorrow. Second code word for the night. Second code word for the night for the giveaway. Second code word is, you guessed it, earnings. First code word was Nvidia. Second code word is earnings. Okay. Nvidia, earnings. That, my friends, those are the two code words that you must know if your name is called. Okay. So like I said, we've got it is giveaway time. We've got some giveaways that we're going to be doing here. There are 3 different giveaways. There is one for non-members of True Trading Group. There is one for annual members of True Trading Group. And then there is one for lifetime members of True Trading Group. Okay. Now, up first is the lifetime giveaway. I'm going to tell you guys all this now. we're going to spin this wheel once for each category. You will have 2 minutes to send a text message to the phone number that we're going to put on the screen. Okay. We are going to, if your name is called, we have to welcome John. John just joined. We got to welcome John. That means we're down to 6. Joe, I believe it's 6. We are down to 6 of those laptops. We are down to, it's like, because for me it said 7 on the screen. We're down to 6 of those laptops, guys. All right. They are first come, first serve again. So again, you can just go to ttgoffer.com and then you use the coupon code TTG121. You click apply code. The price drops down to $9.97. Check out. You're good to go. Oh, that was John Higbee. Yes. Welcome home, man. Guys, everybody welcome John Higbee back. So John Higbee used to be a member. John Higbee is now back where he belongs. John, welcome back to the family, brother. I'm glad to have you back, man. Hit me up tomorrow in chat. Say what's up. I'm glad to have you back. John, we missed you. The family, we've been keeping your seat warm. Don't worry about it. John, welcome back to the family. That means there are 6 of these laptops remaining. And guys, remember, the price is over $1,000 tomorrow after midnight tonight. So hurry up. Go to ttgoffer.com. Use that coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops down to $9.97. See a laptop, you're getting one. Simple as that. Text us with questions. 1-888-306-8783. First up is lifetime members. What do you win? I'll tell you. Lifetime members, if your name is called, you'll have 2 minutes to send a text message to the phone number you see at the bottom of the screen. You will be winning a cut the line one-on-one mentor coaching session with any of the moderators that you choose. You do not need to wait in line. It also does not count against your 4 one-on-ones per year. So lifetime members of your training group, they get one-on-one individual mentorship and coaching sessions every year. If you win this will not count against those one-on-ones. This is an additional bonus one-on-one, and it is a cut the line. Because let's say if you want to do a one-on-one with me, maybe my next available appointment isn't until April or May. Who knows, right? You got to check the calendar. You don't have to wait. If you want to do it with me, we'll do it next. We'll do it this week. Okay. You want to do it with any one of our other moderators? You want to do it with Shai? You want to do it with Gio? You want to do it with Simmons? You want to do it with Uni? You want to do it with Toner or Moment, anybody, whatever. You can cut the line. All right. So let's go ahead, Joe. Let's spin that wheel. Good luck, everybody. Again, this is for lifetime members first. Good luck, folks. Round and round we go. Who will it be? William Magcassi. William Magcassi. The clock has begun. You have 2 minutes, William, to send a text message to the phone number you see on the bottom of the screen. The phone number is 786-292-1606. S from Twitter does not know what's happening. It's giveaway time, S from Twitter. 786-292-1606. Again, this is for William Magcassi. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds now to send a text message to 786-292-1606. S from Twitter, still confused, says what? We're doing a giveaway for lifetime members of True Training Group right now. Then we're going to do a giveaway for annual members of True Training Group. Then we're going to do a giveaway for non-members of True Training Group. William, you've got 1 minute and 6 seconds to send a text message to 786-292-1606 and give us both code words. If you give me both code words, the bonus cut the line one-on-one is yours. If not, we move on to annual member giveaway. Hey, William got it. Yes, William. Yes. Boom. Yes, William got it. William just texted us, guys, with plenty of time to spare. Congratulations, William, my friend. You've just won a bonus one-on-one mentor session with any one of the pro trading mods at your training group. You can cut the line. And Victor just joined. Way to go, William, and way to go, Victor. Victor says, I just joined. I hope I'm doing something really great. Wow. Victor, let me tell you something. Victor says, I hope I'm doing something really great for my family and I. Victor, I already know your head is in the right place. You already asked really good questions. And now that I know your why, that drive is going to be there. You see, people that do this because they want, I want to turn $1,000 into $1 million in 30 days. I want to buy a Lamborghini. Those people fail. The people that set forth on this journey, and it is a journey, because they want to provide a better life for their family, those are the people that roll up their sleeves and they make it work. And they keep pushing and they put in the effort. And those are the people that are going to find success. And I can promise you, Victor, that the over 10,000 members, the professional traders, the over 30-person staff at your trading group is going to be right there by your side to push you and help you through it. So, Victor, I'm very happy to see that you joined the community. Everybody welcome Victor. That does now mean we're down to 5 laptops. They're first come, first serve. So you guys better just hop on them. Remember, if you see one in the checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. If you don't see one, that means we've sold out. That price of $997 is good until midnight. Then the price jumps up over $1,000. All right, guys, next up is the annual member giveaway. This giveaway is for annual members. Now, annual members, what do you win? Annual members, my friends, you will win an entire year of STR for free. Now, if you're not a member of True Trading Group, you have absolutely no idea what STR is. Don't worry about it if you're not a member. But for those of you that are members, you all know about STR. STR is something that can carry an $800 a year tag on it. You guys do not have to pay for that. It is just yours free for the year if you are an annual member. So we're going to spin the wheel. If your name is called annual members, you will have 2 minutes to send a text message to the phone number at the bottom of the screen and give me both code words. And then STR, a value of over $800 a year, is yours free for the year. Let's go. Good luck. Round and round we go. Who will it be? Annual member? Susie. I don't know. I'm just trying to hopefully a name that rhymes. Tony Lamb. That does not rhyme. But Tony Lamb, the clock starts now, Tony. The clock starts now. Ooh, Hogjaw. I like the sound of that. How about a round with Mike at Boca Rio? I'm down. Tony Lamb. Tony Lamb, you have 1 minute and 45 seconds to send a text message to 786-292-1606. Again, that is 786-292-1606. You must give us both code words, Tony. And my friend, you get STR for free for an entire year. Tony, be like William. Be like William. Be like William. Tony, 1 minute and 10 seconds. 1 minute and 10 seconds, Tony. You got this. You can do it, Tony. Tony, he's our man. Come on, Tony. We've got just over 45 seconds left. Oh, Kirsten, I love it. And Kirsten just joined also tonight. Said, I would love just a little extra to add to I want to add a little extra to my retirement that I can enjoy traveling to see family. I don't want much. Kirsten, I love the why. I love the why, Kirsten. I love it so much. It's going to be, I look forward to helping you. That's what we do, right? Money is just a tool. We don't actually seek money. You seek time. That's what you seek. You seek time. But money is what allows you time. Like you said, you want money so that you can travel and go see your family. That's time. What you want is time with your family. That's what you want. Money is just a tool that helps you get there. All right, time is up. I'm sorry, Tony Lamb. Tony Lamb, time is up, brother. I am sorry. All right, Joe, we're moving on to non-members. Okay, so check this out. Non-members. Now, if you are someone that just joined on this live stream, so like Victor, Kirsten, right? Like if you just joined on this live stream, okay, and your name is called, this still works for you. Let me explain. If you guys joined the True Trading Group tonight, you paid $9.97, okay? If your name is called right now on this non-member giveaway, you can join for just $500. So an extra $497 off. Now, Victor, Kirsten, everyone that just joined and paid $9.97. If your name is called, so Kirsten, I'll use you as an example. Kirsten, if your name is called right now and you can send a text message to that phone number and you give us both code words, we will give you back the $497 because you already paid $9.97. So we'll give you back the $497, so you only paid $500 to join. That goes for any of the new family members that just joined here today. Ron, Kathleen, Judith, Frank. Okay, this goes for Ronald, Michael, Myrene, right? Terrain, Sylvia, everyone that joined tonight, if your name is called, we'll just give you back the $497. Guys, good luck. And the winner is N. Gee. N. Gee. I'm going to go with a hard no, not going to text us. The clock starts now. N. Gee or Guy. Joe, what do you think? Is that Gee or is that Guy? Or Gui? You guys can tell how good I am at pronunciations. Yeah, this person's not going to text us. When they signed up, they put their phone number, 999999999. There's no way this person's going to text us. But let's see. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds to text us. You have 1 minute. N-G. Guy, what do you think? How do you think you pronounce that? Is it Guy? Is it Gee? What do you guys think? How do you think you pronounce that? Well, we'll just – there's no way this person's going to text us. I doubt they're even on this live stream. So we can have fun with that. Gee, it is, right? See, Nav Realtor says Gee. I agree. I think Gee. I'm going with Gee. We got a minute. I'm sorry, no, not a minute. We have 20 seconds. $15 seconds. 10 seconds. Time is up. No text message. All right, guys, that's it. That does it for this evening. Congratulations to all of our congratulations to our winners, and congratulations to all of our new family members. Our family got a little bit bigger today. Welcome all of you. You guys picked a hell of a time to join. It's the last night of our membership being under $1,000 for the year. You've got the free laptop still available. There's only, I think, 5 of them left. And we got Nvidia earnings this week. So markets are beginning a little bit of a pullback. We pulled back on Friday. We're pulling back here now in the pre-market. We'll see if that lasts into tomorrow in the pre-market session. My TC fam will be live with you guys in the morning to cover it all. And if you guys Have not done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on your notifications, make sure you never miss out on any of these live streams. We're dropping golden nuggets on a regular basis. Again, if you have not done so, go to ttgoffer.com. Every single thing you see on that page is included when you join. There is no upsell, hidden cost, hidden fee for anything on that page. All of those items are included. It's our courses. It's Benzinga Pro's newsfeed. It's a trading view charting software. It's a trade idea scanner. It's unusual options activity. It's options flow. It's dark pool data. It's short data. It's analyst ratings. It's social sentiment scanners. It's trading journals. It's AI tools. It's all of it. You guys can just go to ttgoffer.com. Use that coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops all the way down to $997. See a laptop, you're getting one. It's as simple as that. Laptop icon right up there. See it. Boom. That's how you know you're getting one if you're watching this after it's already aired. You have any questions, guys? Don't hesitate. Text us 1-888-306-8783. Let's see if we can hit on some of these trade ideas this week, folks. Let's see if we're right. I think it's going to be a great week. If you guys have not yet done so, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Don't ever miss these lives. Have a wonderful evening. I hope you enjoyed the extra day of rest. I hope you made good use of it. Let's make it now all worth it tomorrow. If you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. I'll see you guys